Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. We're gonna start with the intraday here on the 2 hours chart where we are looking from the daily analysis today. I mentioned that be careful, we have stopped over there the push toward the upside here, exactly in the blue box inside the testing area for a wave 2 here as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 after of course a triple 1, 2s here. We might have, of course, an ABC wave 2, and we drop currently impulsively downward as expected before because we are currently in a bear market, as we mentioned. Potential expanding a flat towards the downside is unfolding here. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 already unfolding. We have potentially here, we have triple 1, 2s actually here. Very interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, so basically it double 1, 2s, I would say, not triple. Double 1, 2s we have, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a way 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5, meaning we still, of course, looking for lower here. They might be even very extended. Don't forget that this is your wave 3 right now unfolding, so it might be, of course, very aggressive. Move towards the downside, as those wave 5s might be very, very extended, and we might seek, of course, for the next blue zone here, which it might be, of course, the target taken from the wave 1 here. Let me adjust. Of course, this has to be updated with the new price here. So the 1.618 is at 103K here for Bitcoin. So basically, this might be a potential target for a wave 3 here. So we gotta watch it, guys, at a 103K, 3, 4, and a 5 to still be unfolding. So basically what you are looking at right now can be, of course, double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but even the wave 5s can, of course, be fractal here, okay? Fractals means start to get bigger and bigger and longer. So you gotta be careful with it because I already see the first wave 5 is getting very, very extended right now. As you can see, very aggressive. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So even this one is not finished yet. So basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So basically I can still have a little bit lower 4 and a 5. So yeah, by all means, guys, we are very, very bearish right now. The things are very clear that we are impulsive downward after triple 1, 2. It is the most aggressive scenario that we got, and not even the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now this is of course aggressive, but it might be, of course, taking more time for wave 2. But it's not the case scenario here. It looks like triple 1, 2s downward. All right, so that was it right now for Bitcoin. I'm gonna test this area as well. The 102K, 103K is very area to be watched. Yeah, so be careful, guys. One more thing I would like to add here before I finish for Bitcoin. Let's go to the dominance. For the dominance, I see that, of course, Bitcoin dominance is moving up while Bitcoin moving massively down. And that means, of course, the altcoin are very, very in red today, I believe. So we're going to take a look as anyway. Expected already today in the videos as well for SUI, FET, and Render, plus Ethereum, Solana, and Injective. Of course, we mentioned that we might have a wave toward the downside, wave 5. I would like to mention also one more thing before I end up also this video, which is, of course, the question mark. If we are gonna be in a bull run for the altcoins, and the altcoins might move towards the upside once, of course, the Bitcoin dominance here start to drop downward. So basically what it happens for Bitcoin. So I mentioned this yesterday in the live stream, and I'm gonna re-mention this. You have two scenarios that Bitcoin might react with it during the altcoins or the alt season moving toward the upside. If this impulse downward is going to be invalidated somehow, it's going to turn to something else, nobody knows, it might turn into a zigzag and moving again in an impulse, so can be, of course, all of it transforming it to WX and a Y, and that means, of course, probably you can be here in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, this is one of the scenarios. The second scenario is what if we drop down at the same time altcoins and Bitcoins, I would say at the same time, because altcoins, they have this potential. I would say like they have a little bit still lower prices to get. If we want to take this in confluence with Bitcoin, probably Bitcoin might hit, of course, this target area as a zigzag ABC here, and this might be, of course, your impulse as a wave C. And of course, you can still have one more leg to the upside, while the altcoins, of course, are also moving for higher. So those are the confluence, guys. So just to already give you the answers, because I get this question every day, once at least. What it might happen for Bitcoin if altcoins move up? Okay, so this is exactly the answer. There are scenarios are already given in every single analysis. So yeah, these are my insights between, of course, bullish and bearish, and what it might happen for Bitcoin and the altcoins. Okay, guys. So currently, anyway, we are in red. I'm looking for this blue zone. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.